Namaste. This is online demonstration of how you have to write your annual examination or summative assessment too. So there will be a short link which I will send you in your WhatsApp or SMS. If you don't have the number with the school, you can message me to the WhatsApp number by inquiring with your friends. Please send me the link to this number, and you can always message that to your branch WhatsApp number. So the first thing is, you receive a link, and you have to click the link. During this time, when you are clicking the link, you should have your mobile or computer connected to internet. First, you will have a general information, like write your full name, select your school name, and then your ID. What is your student ID? So let me explain you. When it asks you for write your full name, just write your name. Then you have to select your school name. If you are from Concept High School branch, you have to select this option. If it is from Pochammawada branch, you have to select. If you are from Chaitanya High School Vidyanagar branch, you have to select this. So once you have done that, the third part is the student ID. This ID will be mentioned on your ID card. If it's not there, I will message you. No need to worry, in SMS. And so, for example, the ID is 4578, and that's it. You have to fill these three questions in the general information part. Once it is done, you have to click the next button. So here you will have the option of attempting your real question paper. So this is section 1. This section contains 2 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. So 2 questions into 3 marks is 6 marks. In actual examination paper, you will have many sections, many questions, which will be totaling of total to 80 marks. So here you have 2 questions in this section, in the sample paper. Each question you can see here 3 marks, and here 3 marks. And this is your first question, and this is your second question. So the first question reads, the diameter of circle whose radius is 5 meters is. For example, the answer is 20 meters, you can select 20. If the answer is 30, you can select 30, 10, 10. And the second question is, convert 2 years into days. 2 years is how many days? The answer is 30. You have to select 730, first option. If the answer is 700, you have to select second option. If the answer is 725 days, you have to select the third option. Let me select the second option for you. Then this is page 2. You need to go to the last page. So for that, you need to click the next button. Once you click the next button, you get the second section. This section contains 2 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, and the two points are here, 2 points are here. These are the 2 questions. This is first question of section 2. This is second question of section 2. So the first question reads like this. Write the next 2 numbers in the pattern 1, 3, 9, 27. So if the answer is 8, 124, you have to select that. If the answer is 81, 243, you have to select that. I think the answer is 81, 243. I have selected the second option. The second question is, the value of a plus b plus is equal to dash if a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4. Suppose the answer is 9, you need to select 9. If the answer is 10, you need to select 10. If the answer is 8, you need to select 8. Let me select the third option as 8. So page 3 of 3. That's it in your exam, sample exam. And once it is done, you get the submit button. Click the submit button. Yes, that's it, and your exam is completed. You can see if there are no error, you can see the final response is, your response has been recorded. And if you want to see the score and what are the correct options you have selected, what are the wrong answers you have done, you just need to click this view score button, and this is your final score. So this sample question paper was for 10 marks. You have got 5 marks. So out of 10, you have attained 5. And in this first section, this is your general information, whatever you have written, your name, your branch, your ID. And then your first section is of 6 marks. You have got 3, first section. So the first answer is correct. When you go to second question, the answer is wrong. You have selected 700, but the correct answer is 730. So it clearly shows you what is the correct answer. If your answer is right, you don't get anything. You have got what you have selected. You have got 3 by 3 marks for that question. And here it's a wrong answer you have attempted. The correct answer is 730. You have got 0 for this question. So that is for section 1, and this is for section 2. So same thing, you have got one answer correct. So the first you got 2 by 2, for the second you got 0 by 0. The correct answer is this, whatever you have written. And for the second question, the correct answer is 9. You have to select first option, but you have selected the third option. Okay, that completes your paper. These marks will automatically be recorded in our computer, and these marks will be given for your teachers for your final progress report. So out of 10 marks you have got 5. So on April 20 morning 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. you can write science exam. So prepare from today for your science exam. The syllabus is already sent to you in WhatsApp. And final suggestion, please stay in home. Don't go out to your friend's home to write this exam. If you don't have mobile in your home, please don't visit your friend. You can write if it's really required after coming to this school when school reopens. So be at home, stay safe, be happy with your family, and prepare for your exam from tomorrow. Best of luck. Thank you.